Hi parents, we are sharing some activities for children with special needs. Sensory bins. Create bins filled with materials like rice, sand or dried beans. Add small toys, scoops and containers for children to explore. Sensory bottles. Fill clear plastic bottles with colored water, glitter or small objects like beads, but ensure that children cannot mouth these beads. Beads can be of bigger size. Seal them tightly and let your child shake and observe the mesmerizing patterns. Texture boards. Make boards with various textures like soft fabric, rough sandpaper, smooth plastic and fuzzy fur. Encourage your child to touch and describe the textures in her own language. Play-Doh fun. Play-Doh is excellent for sensory play. Provide different colors and tools for shaping and molding. It can enhance fine motor skills and creativity. Messy art. Let your child explore messy art activities like finger painting, using shaving cream or squishing paint in a plastic bag. Nature walks. Take nature walks where your child can touch leaves, smell flowers and explore different textures found in the environment. Nature is full of sensory experiences. Music and movement. Considering your child's interest, incorporate music and movement activities like dancing and clapping to engage auditory and kinesthetic senses. Sensory swings. If possible, install a sensory swing at home. Swinging can have a calming effect. Sensory story time. Read books with textured pages or sound effects. Encourage your child to interact with the story through touch and sound. Baking and cooking. Involve your child in simple baking or cooking tasks. Measuring ingredients, mixing and feeling different textures can be a sensory-rich experience. And the most important thing, parents, keep interacting with your child. Keep building on what your child is sharing with you. Never say this is wrong or this is incorrect. We can just let them know, okay, can we make in this way? This will help our children to engage actively.